We have a DIY Lagoon table. It needs some adjustments. I don't know if the PVC will work out great. We have the DIY Lagoon table. The tabletop spins, and then this whole thing spins around as well, so that it just works everywhere in the van. Be sure and stay tuned. All right, I'm pretty stoked. I just got all this hardware for the tabletops, and I made it in like 2 minutes. It took me some time to find all the hardware at the store, but yeah, we're gonna have a tabletop now, so that'll be sweet. 2 of them actually. Here, I'm gonna show you real quick how I assembled all this real fast, like 2 minutes, I swear. But yeah, it took me more time in the hardware store to find all the correct pieces and figure out what was gonna go together right. And I still have to cut the PVC tube for the actual stand. But check it out. Tabletop piece, into a tabletop, elbow, an extender piece. And then if we're sitting in bed, boom, now we have a table in bed. And it'll swing around and stuff. It's gonna be awesome. Boom, now we have a swinging table. Tabletop can spin, so it'll work out great. Cool, that's it. Another thing I'm super stoked about is I opened the fridge and I found a Rockstar in there today. Woo! I just got some, I didn't have any cold, but there was a cold one in here. Okay, I just guessed that about 15 inches is good for the table post height. And we're gonna get that cut right now. Okay, we got those cut. Attach them to the table mounts. Figure out some spots for them to go in the van. All right, I'm just going for it. I'm gonna try it right here. Now we just need a tabletop. I think it turned out just fine. Make sure I can sit underneath this. Yeah, I think that's chill. Yeah, I think that's pretty chill. Little tabletop right here. Tabletop will spin. It swings around. 40 bucks in a little bit of time. Got it done. Not too bad. All right, battery's about to die. I'm gonna get the second placement going. With a nice little desk right there, facing outside. Just opens up a lot of opportunities. All right, I'm gonna get this next one installed. And then the idea is that the tabletop will just come off like this, and this bar is completely flat, easy to store away. I did the PVC on the long one because it's just lightweight, it's easy to slide in and out. And I didn't find a bar that was already made. This is a 12-inch bar that was already made, so that was the best bet. I wonder how we're gonna get these to stay flat, because it keeps wanting to like bend this way. That's gonna be a problem. Everyone at home, if you're doing this on your regular couch, you're freaking out, but I'm like, I don't care. It's an adventure van. Okay, so now we got our tabletop with our plate in it. It's pretty flat. It's easy to store away behind the driver's seat. It's our table stand. Slide that in here. Like so. Now we can make sure it's on there. Screw our tabletop on. Boom. Now we got a moving table in the van. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, it's kind of bouncy. I wonder if that's because of the PVC or if it's because of the mounts. Any bigger and it's not going to work with the door closed? That is radical. All right, I am stoked. Now I can like sit here with a lunch, look outside, whatever. This thing is nice. 40 bucks and a couple hours worth of work. I'm digging it. We need bigger tabletops, but right now this will do just fine. I wonder if we need different stabilizers because of how bouncy it is. But I measured that out at 15 inches, so I'd have to get a 12-inch pipe and then another like 6-inch pipe. So, and that would make it a stopper too. That might have to happen. And I want to see what Crystal's initial reaction is to this. With this table that she said, ew, don't use that piece of wood. It's just a mock-up though. It's just to see how big it would be. Like, I think that's like the maximum size for next to this window without like playing with fire. Smashing the window out or something. But yeah, it's coming close to the fridge. But I mean, it's flexible. It's nice. You can sit right here now and do homework. That is, I mean, the van is coming together. $50 build. Super stoked. All right, that ends this one. We're gonna get Crystal's reaction on this. Stoked on this. Quick build. Like $50 to make it all nice and right. Pretty cool. DIY Lagoon Table. Cleanup time. Crystal's gonna come look at my accomplishments. We'll see her first reactions. All right, check them out. You got some legs. This leg goes in here. This got a little stopper. Boom. You screw the tabletop on. Oh my god, I guessed right. One-handed. I just did that one-handed and I guessed it right. Oh my god.
Told you.
Well, it's okay. We'll fix that. But yeah, it's cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It needs to be a little stronger. I thought the PVC would be stronger. We can do another one. It just takes 2 of those little C-clamps to make a mount. I want to do ones off the back door as well. Why?
There's such a thing as too much.
Too much stickers? Too much tabletops? We're only going to have 2 tabletops, but it's going to be lots of placements for it. Did a good job though? Couple hours job? Pretty cool, huh? Cool. Love you. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Peace. Just got done disking at Zephyr Cove today. Got some goldfishes for my snacks. Jug of water for me and Shasta Girl. I got the drone video rendering out right now. I was set up here at the passenger seat. Shasta was laying right next to me. Let's get work done. Swing that baby around, boom. That's a pretty sweet little workstation. I can see out all the windows pretty much. Well, except for the front window, but I can see out the back window and the side window. And I can see out the 2 side, like the passenger and driver windows, so I can have like some full 360 view, see what's going on around. I've been thinking a lot about where I'm gonna put this diesel heater in the cabin, if I should put it in the trunk, the garage, or if I should put it underneath this bench here. I was looking underneath the seat. That's where we store our swivel tables.